Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing for you guys a skincare video, and this is kind of an outdated video because people aren't really doing this trend anymore. But for a while there, one of the favorite things to do was to do the Hell-Pore cleanup mask. Now, I ordered this off of Amazon. I think I paid 10 bucks for it, so it's not too expensive. It's completely not in English. So this will be fun. There's no instructions. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. We got English on the other side. Okay, so I've already cleansed my face. Good. Use steam, open up your pores, and apply the cleanup mask to your nose and around nose. Then wait for 15 minutes, slowly peel off from end and remove the steam that melted out of the pore. Okay, my first thought is, why did people put this all over their face if it's only intended to be used on your nose? Thoughts? Even though it says to only use on your nose or that area, I figure I might as well just bite the bullet and go ahead and do this guy all over my face like everyone else did, since that seemed to be the point of doing all this. Is this has a little foil seal. This looks like it's valid for... I couldn't even tell you. How long is this good for? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to really quickly fast forward while I put all this on my nose. And I'm sorry that my autofocus isn't really working very well. It's a brand new camera and I want to be able to film this for you guys. So bear with me. The next few videos might not be the best in terms of quality just because I'm still working out autofocus and connecting to my monitor and things like that. So bear with me. Okay, let's do this. It smells kind of like the, I use all the time the Feeling Beautiful peel masks. I really like those actually. Oh, dear Lord. It's like grrr. Okay, sorry, that's off topic and not the point here. Ooh, the smell is a little intense though. Not gonna lie. It's not the best smell in the world. I do not know how some people manage to make this look thick and black. Like, am I not putting enough on? I mean, based on everyone's videos, that's how you make it all hurt, but it's not necessarily the point for all this. I'm not gonna bring it too far up on my forehead just because most of my clogged pores tend to be in this area, not necessarily by my hairline. But I do get quite a few breakouts. I am probably going to have a horrible reaction to this. I should not have chosen to do this on a Sunday night. But I feel like my layers of stuff aren't thick enough. Like I feel like that's what people's layers looked like. Okay, so I know that the bridge of my nose isn't necessarily looking the most opaque right here, so let's just... Here's what's going to happen now. So I'm going to go ahead, leave this on for the 15 minutes it says to, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse my fingers off because there's stuff I need to do in the interim while this is drying. And then I will get back to you guys once the 15 minutes are up and it's ready to peel this off. I feel like this could have used a little bit more over here, actually. I feel like I've used a ridiculous amount of this product right now. Like, in one use. Just say it. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go rinse my hands off, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, guys, so it's been 15 minutes. I really can't smile. It's really stuck right up in here and on where my smile lines go. Okay, so it has started to kind of flake off. This above my upper lip is basically completely come away. So let's... Oh, I thought this was completely dry. I must have been wrong. It takes longer than 15 minutes. First note. See if there's somewhere else I can, oh, over here is pretty dry. The only problem is I don't have any fingernails right now. Ooh. Well, it's definitely pulling stuff out of my pores. That is for gosh darn certain. This right here is all still wet. This entire section right here is wet. Yeah, definitely pulling some things out of my pores. Ooh. That is the one that hurts. Woo. That is not a comfortable feeling. Woo. Woo. I am watering. My eyes are watering. Holy crap. Woo. That's getting a lot out of there. I just have to rip that middle portion off. It's driving me crazy. Woo. My eyes are really watering. Yep, that'll do it. That will, whoa, ow. I mean, it definitely hurts, but to be honest, it's not really any worse than other peel-off masks. Like, oh my god, that is a lot of crap. I haven't done a peel mask in a very, very long time. So it's not very surprising to me that my eyes are watering and that there's a lot of buildup because, I mean, I exfoliate a lot, but that doesn't necessarily get everything out from deep within your pores. So this is interesting to say the least. Let's try this. I don't even know how well you guys will be able to see it because my camera won't really autofocus right now. But it is definitely like when I look at the peeled up side, I can see the little bumps of things that were pulled out. It's kind of gross. I mean, it's gross, but it's like satisfying gross, you know? It's like watching those pimple popper videos and crap like that. Yeah, that's definitely clearing out my pores. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My forehead is the smoothest thing on this planet right now. I feel like this is the hardest thing to do because I can't, since I don't have a flip up anymore that goes up behind my camera, I can't look at that, which means my monitor has to be over here and I can only see so much of it. Ooh, that one was nasty. What did I have over here? Huh. I think in the future, once I get like a proper filming table, I'm going to have the monitor underneath my camera. But that's in the to come phase of things. Yeah, that situation. Oof, that hurt. Just ripping that little piece off hurt. Okay, this side's got quite a bit left. Let's do this. Ooh. So here's the thing. I definitely get now why they don't want you to do it. I just pulled out like half my hair. Whew. Yeah, I can definitely see why they say you should really only be using this on your nose and cheek area, because this is what makes it so painful on these sides, especially the ones that get near hairlines, is that it's ripping out the hair. I mean, you have hair on your whole face, don't get me wrong, but yeah, like this is legit ripping out like huge chunks of like hair off my face. So I can see why they definitely don't want you to do that. And now I can see why it hurts so badly for so many people is because they probably didn't find the English side of the box. Although I know with how old this whole thing is, it could be that originally there were no English instructions, only Korean. So I could be wrong, but at least for anyone doing this now, please keep in mind, this is why you should not be using this anywhere other than your nose. Now here's the thing. I do want to say this in terms of things that you peel off your skin, in general, just, you know, various peeling masks. You should be very careful when using them. You should always test, if you are someone who is very, very sensitive, whether it's a skin sensitivity, an allergy, or pain-wise, I would definitely do your research and try use something that's a little bit more gentle. Or if you're going to use something that could be high intensity like this one is, very intense peeling action, I would say that you definitely want to make sure that you're using it like maybe once a week. Because I think if you're going in more than that, that's probably where it'll start to wear down and it will begin to hurt. Now, for me, I am a weird situation here. I have skin sensitivity to certain ingredients, but I have a pretty good pain tolerance in general. Like, broke my foot and I didn't bat an eye. Pain tolerance. I knew it was broken. They just, teacher didn't, but that's another story. Right now, what's causing my eyes to water is the sensation of getting your skin pulled out, your hair pulled out of your skin. So it's the same thing if you were to go get a wax. So if you're someone with a high pain tolerance, when you get your legs waxed, for example, it stings momentarily, but it's immediately gone. Or if it's gone, I just don't process it, to be completely honest. It could be that it's still there. But this is definitely not the most painful mask I've ever done. It could definitely be worse. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, these ones that all came from the edges of my face definitely pulled out more hair than anything in my pores. But I will say my skin, especially on my nose right now, woohoo, my nose is so ridiculously soft. My pores look amazing on my nose. However, I don't know what's happening over here. I have this weird thing happening where the skin up in this crack of my nose is not looking okay. Like, it's looking like I ripped off a lot of skin. Which is, not the most comfortable feeling. Or look. Oof, okay, so I know I still have some bits and pieces around my face, but this is probably going to be the easiest way to... Oh crap, I have it in my eyebrow. No, shoot. Oh, okay. I have to leave it at that because what I need to do now is just wash off the last few bits and pieces, especially this one stuck up in my eyebrow. Because I have no idea how I just did that. So here's my feeling. It definitely makes my skin very, very soft and smooth. It is very sensitive, especially if you're extending it along your orbital socket of your eye. I'd be very, very careful. You're probably better off just doing the rip and done rather than slowly peeling. You're definitely going to get a lot more pain if you're just slow peeling everything, believe me. I mean, it cleared out my pores. I know I haven't done it in a while because I kind of held off knowing that this product was on its way to me. So, I mean, do I think it works? Yes. Do I think it's as bad as everyone says it hurts? No. Do I think it's worth $10? No. Now here's the thing. Like I was saying at the beginning of the video, it kind of reminds me of some of the Feeling Beautiful peel-off masks that you can buy at CVS, Walgreens, Target. And they make one that's a pomegranate peel, and it smells kind of similar to this. This has just got a different, cute anime cartoony packaging compared to that, which is more generic. It's not cutesy, but it feels the same. It's kind of doing the same thing. It's getting the same amount of depth and pore cleaning out from my nose in general that I usually get with that one. So I don't think it's necessarily worth it because I can buy those masks when they're on sale for like $4 or $5. So here's the thing. So it's been a while since I've done a testing a new skincare product kind of video, and I'd like to do a lot more of these, especially with skincare products, because I know that's where a lot of people are very iffy about things. There's tons and tons of people doing, foundation reviews and everything like that, but skincare is something that I like and I love testing out and trying for people. So I think it'd be really cool to get to kind of do stuff like this. So if you guys have skincare products, whether you want to see me do something for a 30-day period or it's a one-off trying a mask kind of deal, tell me down below, because I would love to hear your guys' suggestions for items like that to try out, because I'd like to do more skincare videos in the near future. But while you're down there leaving your desired skincare product you want me to try, be sure to also subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing testing out skincare product videos, just because I think that's kind of something I want to do moving forward with my channel. And I'm going to have a video coming very soon kind of talking about my channel and my goal for it going forward with everything. Just because I was very, very, very beauty focused in 2018, and I feel like I kind of wanted to branch out more than I did, and that's kind of something I want to do for 2019, is do some more stuff that's not necessarily just makeup, but doing more skincare, doing more travel stuff, fashion, decorating, a whole bunch of different things. So keep an eye out for that video that I'll have coming up very soon that kind of details what I'm doing with my channel. So to make sure you can do that, be sure to hit that subscription button down below. And again, if you enjoy the skincare, thumbs ups help. That way I know what you guys are enjoying seeing here on my channel. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!